Hello, kids. Let's read English alphabet. Letter A. 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 A is for apple. A. Letter B. B. B is for bird. B. Letter C. K. K is for cat. K. Letter D. D. D is for dolphin. D. Letter E. E. E is for earth. E. Letter F. F. F is for frog. F. Letter G. G. G is for gate. G. Letter H is for heart. Letter I. E. E is for igloo. E. Letter J. J. J is for juice. J. Letter K. K. K is for key. K. Letter L. L. L is for leaf. L. Letter M. M. M is for mouse. M. Letter N. N. N is for notebook. N. Letter O. O. O is for owl. O. Letter P. P. P is for pig. P. Letter Q. Q. Q is for queen. Q. Letter R. R. R is for ring. R. Letter S. S is for sun. Letter T. T. T is for tree. T. Letter U. O is for umbrella. Letter V. V. V is for violin. V. Letter W. W. W is for watermelon. W. Letter X. X. X is for xylophone. X. Letter Y. Y. Y is for yacht. Y. Letter Z. Z. Z is for zebra. Z.